Day 11, planting a mini herb garden. Day 11 is all about getting our hands dirty with some gardening. Grow your own herbs at home. It's easy, fun, and you'll love using fresh herbs in your cooking. By planting a mini herb garden, families can enjoy a hands-on, educational activity that also provides fresh herbs for cooking. This activity teaches children about plant care, responsibility, and the benefits of growing their own food. Step 1. Gather supplies. Materials needed: small pots or containers, with drainage holes. Herb seeds or small herb plants, basil, mint, parsley, thyme, etc. Potting soil. Watering can or spray bottle. Labels or popsicle sticks. Permanent marker. Step 2. Choose your herbs. Select herbs. Choose a variety of herbs that you enjoy and are easy to grow. Popular options include basil, mint, parsley, thyme, rosemary, and cilantro. Consider growing conditions. Take note of the sunlight and water requirements for each herb. Most herbs need plenty of sunlight, so choose a sunny spot for your garden. Step 3. Prepare the pots. Fill with soil. Fill each pot or container with potting soil, leaving about an inch of space at the top. Moisten the soil. Lightly water the soil to make it damp but not soaking wet. Step 4. Plant the seeds or seedlings. Planting seeds. Follow the instructions on the seed packets for planting depth and spacing. Generally, plant the seeds about 1/4 inch deep and cover lightly with soil. Transplanting seedlings. If using small herb plants, dig a small hole in the soil and place the seedling in the hole. Gently firm the soil around the base of the plant. Step 5. Label your herbs. Create labels. Write the name of each herb on a label or popsicle stick with a permanent marker. Place labels. Place the labels in the corresponding pots to keep track of your herbs. Step 6. Care for your herb garden. Watering. Water the herbs regularly, keeping the soil moist but not waterlogged. Use a watering can or spray bottle to avoid overwatering. Sunlight. Ensure the herbs get plenty of sunlight each day. Most herbs need at least 6 hours of sunlight. Pruning. Pinch off the top leaves regularly to encourage bushier growth and prevent the plants from becoming leggy. Step 7. Harvest and enjoy. Harvesting. Once the herbs have grown enough, start harvesting by snipping off the leaves as needed. Be sure not to remove more than 1/3 of the plant at a time. Using herbs. Use your fresh herbs in cooking, salads, teas, or as garnishes to add flavor and freshness to your dishes. And as always, stay safe and good luck. Time for Day 11 riddle. I'm alive, but I do not eat, and I grow 3 to 5 feet a year. What am I? Hint: these are green and can be very tall, providing shade. You got 30 seconds to solve. The answer is a tree. You got it. Thank you for participating. We are back tomorrow with another exciting challenge. This activity is free to participate in, but if you wish to support us, consider purchasing any of our many affordable items from our Amazon store. Thank you for your participation.